So my first project is to fix our dryer. It's been about 2 or 3 years now that our dryer has been running slow. We'll start with this PVC pipe up here that you see. This is a 4-inch PVC pipe. So to get everyone grounded here on what's going on, we're looking up at my ceiling, and this is my dryer duct coming in from upstairs. The dryer is actually upstairs in this house. And then as we go across the ceiling here, first things first, I've got to get this out of here. Look at all that. The light's coming down. Just loosen up the hose clamp that's on here. And it should be able to slide that off. Now you can go through and start pulling off these hanging straps. Now on this other end, I've got most of the straps down and out of the way. I just have one more strap and one more hose clamp to pull off. I'll do those really quick. So here I am behind the dryer. This is the dryer here. Now I have this 90-degree elbow and some foil tape. This is actually going to work out pretty nice. I'm going to put this right on the dryer and get this foil tape around here. I like to use foil tape because it sticks a lot better than duct tape ever will. Problem is getting up in there, so I may have to cheat this off a little bit. Then what we'll do is we'll slide this right back, and it's just out of the shot here, but the hole down to the basement is right here. So if everything goes well here, I'll get this on here perfectly, going straight down, right through this hole, and then I can work. So now I got the dryer pushed back in. You can see the dryer vent right here, coming through the floor, and I've got another of these right angle pieces, and I've got a 5-foot section of 4-inch ductwork here, and I'm going to get that in place. Hopefully, I got to sneak through a couple obstacles here along the way. We'll see if I need to take anything out first. But I think I can sneak it right. So the next issue I might have is over here in this corner. This is what's known as the main stack sewer line, and this is squeezing this pipe as it comes through quite a bit, and so can't get a good video of it, but this is kind of a big oval. I can try to squeeze this to make it just an oval over the stack. I haven't put that in yet at all, so we'll just kind of work our way in here, hopefully. After about 15 minutes of futzing, I finally got this on, all set, taped up, and it's all good to go. Alright, I finally got over here to the end. Last little piece I put in here, I ran out of my silver tape, so I'll have to go out and get some more of that